There is no doubt that the Antarctica continent present in South Pole of world is such continent where nature do not bear human. This is the most coldest, far away, barren, and dry continent. Beside all of these difficulties and problems, human actually exists here since long time. But the question is that, how? Welcome back to Incredible World. Viewers, Antarctica is such a large continent that whole America and whole India can fit in this. Here everything is wrapped in ice, and this continent is full with deep ice. At some places ice is 5 km deep. By the way, here the temperature remains -60 Celsius, but it also gets hot 1 or 2 times in a year. And its hot temperature is -12 Celsius. Since the whole year temperature remains below the freezing point, that's why ice don't melt here. Snowfall annually increases the snow layer up to 2 inches. By the way, this is not too much snow, but continuously addition of snow layers for previous thousands of years, increasing the depth snow even more. Not only the coldness and extreme condition of this continent don't make the life to exists here, but also humidity is almost none. Normally the air contain 40 to 60% water vapors, which are important not only for life but also for ecosystem. But humidity level in Antarctica is only 0.03%, and that's why skin diseases and dehydration is pretty common in Antarctica. Beside this, South Pole is 9,800 feet elevated than sea level. Overall, the Antarctica is not for any living creatures. Still humans are present here. It has only one reason, that is research. Since the space is also not for human, but still human are there for the research purpose, same as Antarctica where scientists also go to research. This is the Amundsen Scott South Pole Station of Antarctica, where 150 in summers and almost 45 staff in winter works and lives here. There is only one way to reach there, and that is aeroplane. There is no proper airport in Antarctica, and nor can built. Because of snow, they can't build ports by using concrete or charcoal. So, ports are built by the thing which is in huge amount in Antarctica, and that is snow. Yes, level of ice is made equal and hard by using rollers. Special training also given to the pilot that lands over Antarctica snow airport, because snow runway are very slippery. In case of cargo planes, and special ski landing gears are set, instead of simple landing gears, because weight of cargo planes are very high, and if only simple wheels are used then it can cause the plane to sink in the snow. South Pole American Station first built in 1956 by wood, that sink in snow after few time. In 1974, it was upgraded and new structure made, just like a giant igloo. And whole team remained in this igloo. But this experiment also gone wrong because in winters whole igloo sank in the snow. As Antarctica is in South Pole where day lasts for 6 months and night lasts for next 6 months, and during the long night times the igloo could not be removed out from the snow. When night time ends then this giant igloo removed out from the snow, that required a lot of time and also lot of fuel. In 2008, America came in the ground with a new approach. The specificity of this building is that it is aerodynamic and building is set on hydraulic pillars at some height from the ground. Due to aerodynamic shape, the snow can't accumulate over or under this building. Still after every 10 years snow accumulate under this, but then snow uplifted easily. Antarctica is not owned by any specific country. Here research center of almost 29 countries are present. But the question is that, what kind of research performed here, which can't be performed in any of the other country? Mostly space and astronomical researches perform here. Actually normal air contains vapors in a large quantity that make the sky blur, but in Antarctica humidity is almost zero, that's why sky looks clear. In 2019, first time black hole was captured, for this a great credit goes to the South Pole telescopes. Beside this ice cores research also perform here, millions of years ago how climate of our planet was, what kind of particles were present in air, these all secrets are buried under the ice of Antarctica. Experiments are done on these ice, and result tells us what were happen in previous billion of years. The condition of Antarctica is very harsh, that's why researchers only collect data and take these to their countries. As there is only one way to reach there, similarly there is only one way to go back. In South Pole only the period of 3 months can be possible for planes to move in or back, otherwise it is so impossible. If we talk about International Space Station, astronauts if want to move back then, can easily land on any ocean, but this option is not available for Antarctica. Though the doctors are available here, but in severe cases they link with doctors in America through video, that obviously works with internet, but internet is also a very big challenge in this continent. Satellites around Earth covers that part where huge population is present. As you can see, Antarctica is almost the bottom of the Earth, and with no population, that's why satellite is not present there and other satellites can't access that. Few satellite that while rotating around Earth move from near the Antarctica, then these send signal in Antarctica, and that is only the time when internet is available in Antarctica. For this researchers wait for a specific time of day. Internet is available only for 3 hours and 50 minutes in whole 24 hours day. During this time researchers sent the experimental data, and also contact their family. There, waste management is such a great problem. According to the international law, to clean their waste is a responsibility for everyone, because these waste can also cause impact their research. Basically, what will come here has to go back, whole waste collect and sent to the McMurdo station, where these waste are processed, and only in a year sent back to US through ship. And winters only 45 members remains there, they are selected after a lot of test and look after, because this is the time, when in case of severe emergency no one can left this, nor anyone can come to help them. This crew are well trained to face any problem. During this period night remains for 6 months, that's why anxiety, depression, and homesickness become common among them. In this difficult time, communication is also none. For the whole 6 months, they survive only on limited resources. The sacrifice that this crew gave are something that I can't explain in this small video. Hope you will like and share this video. Thanks for watching.